This is a safety advice video for Theraposture cot beds. Please follow this instruction when you leave the person in the bed unattended. The first thing to do is to lower the sleeping platform to its lowest position. If the bed is profiled, then please make it flat unless there's a medical reason not to. Once you've done this, you now need to secure the doors. Each door is independently secured with a recessed catch. You lift and drop. The door is now secured. You do this on all of the doors, like so. There is an additional securing point at the top of the door. To move this one across, you need to hold this down. Now the doors are fully secure. You may have an external locking bar. If you do, please fit it like so. This braces the doors from the outside. And finally, every Theraposture bed comes with a locking handset. There are keys provided. You can disable this handset by turning the key through 90 degrees. The handset will not work now. You need to remove the key from the handset. Never leave it in the handset. Put the key somewhere safe. And finally, the handset needs to be hung in the designated area on the bed. Just like so. If you have any questions or any concerns, please contact the Theraposture team. Thank you. The medical bed standard for children's beds is BSCN 50637. This is a standard that effectively lays out how to make a bed safe and compliant to reduce risk of injury to patients and equipment users. There are two very important requirements within the standard concerning hand controls. One is that a hand control should have a designated place that is identified on each bed as to where it should be stored. So on this Emma bed, we have a place here, and here is the label showing where. The second requirement concerns effectively stopping unintended users from using this hand control. And I personally believe that there has been no effective solution until now. So, this is the solution, and I will explain why after I also tell you what the options have been up to now. Most manufacturers of cot beds, including Kaiser Betten until 2025, had a system with a key. The key would lock or unlock the hand control. The assumption was that by locking it, you render it unusable. But of course, it can also be unlocked. If the key were actually in the wrong hands, you're back to square one. You do not have a solution. The other potential solution was to put the hand control in a locked box. But if you think of it, the problem is the same. That the hand control is in a box and it is locked, but someone could unlock it, and then no longer do you have a solution. This is a solution. This hand control will not work unless I actually push this locking pad 3 times in quick succession, followed by one longer push. 1, 2, 3, and a longer push. Now we have a green light. Now the bed moves. Now the hand control works. After 5 seconds of inactivity, which could, for example, be somebody knocking on the door, a telephone ringing, a distraction, and the parent or carer having to leave the bed unexpectedly, the hand control doesn't work. So this is a thorough solution that's being developed in association with the German equivalent of the MHRA. So this is on every Theraposture cot bed, every Theraposture children's and adults cot bed. And this is a proper solution that works. Thank you.